Greetings! Welcome to another lesson on reading music. Well, today is an exciting day because we are going to learn our first song. And it is one of the most popular songs on the planet, I think. Mary Had a Little Lamb. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, oh no, not Mary Had a Little Lamb. That's an old song. But trust me, it's actually a very modern song. Let me tell you why. The Earth is 4.5 billion years old. The universe is over 13 billion years old. In that context, Mary Had a Little Lamb is a very modern song. So let's do Mary Had a Little Lamb. Now, before we continue, let's have a look at a few things. The first thing we need to look at is this thing here, which is called a time signature. And a time signature tells how many beats there are in the bar. In this case, it says 4/4, which means there's 4 beats in the bar. So I encourage you to tap your feet. It's very important to tap your feet, preferably with a metronome. And each of these blue notes is called a ta. And a ta is 1 beat long. So it's like this. Ta, 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 and so on. The white ones are called tu-woo. Let's say that again. Tu-woo. And a tu is 2 beats long. It goes like this. Tu-woo, tu-woo. Now, let's clap this rhythm. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stars and a tu-woo. So I'll tap my feet again. Ready, steady, go. Ta, 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 tu-woo. Very good. Now I'll point at this and you can join me. Ready, steady, go. Ta, 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 tu-woo. Very good. And that's the rhythm side of things. Now I have changed the rhythm very slightly. In the original, there is a dotted ta, what's called a dotted crotchet, and a quaver, a half beat. So, because the original goes something like this. I've simplified it to. So it's not a big difference. So let's have a look at the notes of Mary Had a Little Lamb. First we have that one. Now you tell me if that's a 0, 1 or 3. It's a 0. Very good. Now, tell me which string that's on. Very good. It's on the first string. So it's this one. Now what about the next one? Is it a 0, 1 or 3? It's a 3. Very good. But which string is it on? Very good. It's on your second string. And what about this one? It's a 1. And it's on your second string. And what about this one? A 3 again. On your second string. So let's play the first bar. And this thing here is a bar. Everything between those lines, those are called bar lines. And what's in between the bar lines is a bar. So let's play the first bar. Ready, steady, go. 0 on the first string, 3 on the second string, 1 on the second string, 3 on the second string. Now let's play it in time. Ready, steady, go. Very good. Now it's very important to not try to play the whole song. Take little bits and pieces, practice them, and then take another little bit and then put them together and practice those bits. So if you need to practice, and that's fine. We all need to practice. Take a few minutes, pause this video, and practice that first line. Okay, have you practiced that? Very good. Let's try playing the first line together. Now I'm going to put the metronome on, and on your smartphone, you can get metronomes on your smartphone or your Android or any kind of phone or iPad, and it's good to practice these things with a metronome. Now, to help us play this song, a very dear friend of mine will be joining us. He's been a dear friend of mine for as long as I remember. It's me! Let's play the first 4 bars of Mary Had a Little Lamb. Are you ready to play Mary Had a Little Lamb? I think I am. Fantastic. Are you ready to play the first 4 bars of Mary Had a Little Lamb? Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now the 3rd and 4th bars of Mary Had a Little Lamb are probably the most confusing, I find. Not so much the 3rd bar, but the 4th bar. Because you have... So I've done it on a completely separate board. Well, it's the same board, but I did it again. You have 3 notes, which are the same. 2 tars, and 1 two-woo. And there are 3 threes on the 2nd string. Let me play them for you. So 3 threes, and it goes something like this. Ta, ta, two, woo. Very good. This one is a little bit confusing. We have a 0 on the 1st string, a 3 on the 1st string, and another 3 on the 1st string, but that last 3 is a 2. So let's play that last bar, the 4th bar. Ready, steady, go. Ta, ta, two. So let's now attempt that line. Ready, steady, go. Ta, ta, two, woo. Ta, ta, two, woo. Very good. Now let's look at the rest of Mary Had a Little Lamb. Have a look at this bar. What's it like? Does it look like any of the bars we've done? Very good. You're very observant. It's exactly like the first bar. What about the next bar? Is that like this one? It is like this one. There's a little change. Did you spot the change? Look at that. We got 4 zeros on the top string. Or in this case, on the guitar, it's the bottom string. And we got 3 zeros on the 1st string. The last one's a 2. And in this case, there are 4 tars. So let's try playing the next 2 bars. Ready, steady, go. 0 on the bottom string, 3 there, 1, 3, and 4. Very good. What about the next 2 bars? Do they look like anything we've done? No. Let's have a look at the last 2 bars. A 3 on the 2nd string, another 3 on the 2nd string, a 0 on the 1st string, a 3 on the 2nd string, and 2 2s, and they're both 1s on the 2nd string. So let's try playing that. 3 on the 2nd string, another 3, 0 on the 1st string, a 3 on the 2nd string, and 1, 2, 1, 2, or you can say 2, 2. Take a few minutes, pause this video and practice that, and at the end let's try playing the whole song. Are you ready to play the whole song? Great. Let's do it. Well, let's do the whole song. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. So, the most important thing is to practice little bits. Practice a little bit, practice another little bit, put them together, and practice that little bit. And then practice another little bit, practice the next little bit, and put those two together. And always practice slowly. Set your metronome at about, well, 50 even. And don't worry about playing fast. That comes with repetition. So, happy reading, and hope to see you next time.